Hi guys, my hamster is going to stuff this into her cheek very fast.
Oh my god.
As you can see, she loves cereal.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna,
She's sniffing for more.
as you can see, her little cheeks are puffy.
Another one? Another one. I'm going to go get some more cereal. And then she's going to stuff it into her cheeks again. She's vacuuming it. And then if I put her into her cage, she'll have to force herself down her tube and she won't be able to make it because she's already so fat. Want to lick the crumbs off of me?